Today Ava and I are going to try to recreate one of what's her name?
Tanya Harding.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Today Ava and I recreated one of NikkieTutorials tutorials. We picked her prom glam video, and I'll show it aside from me doing this to my child. Anyway, let's get started. Prom makeup, white cut crease. Okay, she's got naked face, so let's just work on that. Nikki.
She's gonna bake her face.
Okay, we're not gonna bake your face.
Bake my face.
I have to bake your face?
Yeah.
Fine.
I thought you were gonna follow the tutorial.
Alright. Let's bake. Look up. Bake.
And then you wipe off the bake. You didn't contour?
She didn't either yet. Okay, so let's... Are you gonna...
That's not baking.
It's pretty. There!
You don't know what you're doing.
Does she contour?
Before we do anything like
I think so.
Before we do it.
Prime, and my favorite
I have eye makeup. Look, she's putting it on. Let's put
Pretty sure she contoured it.
Oh my god, you're so ahead. Hold on.
Really important.
Okay, close your eyeball.
Prime, and my favorite product for this is MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot.
You need the MAC Soft Ochre Paint.
I don't have that. I've got the Urban Decay.
And because this is an all matte look, it is a medium warm tone brown.
These people have eyelids that are like...
Okay, so she's putting, what would you say? This. Look, this one?
That one.
Look, I'm going to use this one.
I'm gonna cut
Wait, did she powder first?
medium warm tone brown.
No.
I'm just defining my crease from inner to outer corner.
She's defining her crease from inner to outer corner.
She rubs it like that. She does.
This makes my eye go.
It really is pretty though, honey. You should see it. There's a little gold in it.
Oh my god.
Okay. Tell Nikki to proceed.
Proceed.
Make sure you blend the edges with a clean brush after.
Blend the edges with a clean brush. So I'm going to use, for that cut crease, this.
That's like clear.
This area using a matte white shadow.
Man, this is... Hold on, I have something.
Just get some
baby powder. Here, look! Why did you have to do that? Okay, close your eyeball. Oh, it's working.
You don't know what you're doing.
I know I don't know what you're doing. How do you cut crease? I need a spoon. And that looks like acrylic paint on her eye.
It is acrylic paint.
Just let me do it. Just let me do the other eye.
That's great.
Shush! Close your eye. Whoa. I think I'm doing it.
Softly blend it.
Alright, hold on, I have to softly blend. Where's my softly blender?
And I'm going to fill the inside of that white layer up using
She's not helping at all.
green teal rhinestones. First you want to put down a little bit of glue and then stick the rhinestone right over top.
You got that.
Maybe we should have checked our supplies before starting.
So with
I'm going to do what I want now.
You're supposed to contour now.
More
I'm going to do
I'm
it.
not done with your... Wait,
already
close.
gives me more life. And also let's not forget about the forehead and temples.
I'm good. Turn my way. Why you gotta look at her? Oh. Look at me.
I don't want to.
Why not?
See you enough.
I'm sorry. I'm getting repetitive. I can't get enough of Everglow. The relaunch is
You
so
think
close.
she's sponsored by Everglow?
On this if you didn't get it with the first launch. So when you have like
Can I put fake eyelashes on you?
The rest of your face is really matte.
No, I don't know how to do that.
You don't. Use your fingers. You should do it.
Okay, I gotta put glue on it. Will you pose now like NikkieTutorials does? I think you look beautiful. Ungrateful child. We forgot highlighter. So that's it for this video on recreating Nikkie. Was it recreating or no?
Trying to.
Follow.
On failing to
Oh,
recreate.
shut up. Okay.
You know it's true.
So that's it, you guys, on this video of falling.
Don't touch my butt.
It wasn't on purpose.
Stop it.
You gotta tell them what kind of video we just did.
So that's it for recreating a NikkieTutorials tutorial.
We followed a tutorial.
Oh. So that's it.
That's it.
Bye.
Bye, guys.